This is a 1990 to 91 Galaxy Model 3723 20-inch box fan. I got this fan from my school back when I was in 6th grade. I traded it for a Lakewood Vanguard box fan. I forget what the model number was in those things. The ones with the blue blades and the thermostat. Well, I traded one of my teachers that for this fan. Obviously, this fan was way better than it was, so that's why I wanted it. And it was the first fan like this one I had. Now I've had 5 or 6 of these, including the Alaska one down there, which is getting videoed next, and then I'll video the both of them running together. Back when I was a kid, I sort of colored on the knob. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off, or get a new knob for this fan, one of those two. Tori, I was thinking if anyone would have a knob, it'd probably be you, considering you've had a lot more of these Lascos than I have. I've had the newer ones mainly that have like the little clip-on thing. It says 0321 and have the big knob. That's the ones I've had. I've had like 20 of those things. I've had lots of those. But only a few of these like Galaxy ones like this, whether they were the rounded corner one with this style knob or even the square ones like this one or that one. Haven't had too many of them. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.